Hey guys, we're back. Still working on this Outback. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the shifter assembly, and then this center console area, the stereo. We've been taking a lot of stuff off this car, so watch some of the other videos. Highly recommend subscribing so you can hear my annoying ass all the time. So let's show you guys how to remove this piece first. Very simple. Take a flathead or something thin. The chrome piece here and the colored piece for the shift knob. If you wedge something right in there, as you can see how that come out. Careful not to, slip up and scratch your console. But let's say you spill some coffee and you want to clean this place. Usually that's what happens. Drop this little guy out of the way. There's a little, on the old school cars, they used to have these for the crank windows. It's this C type of clip, I call it. Pull that out. Once you pull that out, this thing literally just slides out. That's it. This is like right here. See the little C clip? And then pull this out. So there's nothing mechanical about this part, electronics. So if you want to wash it, clean it, go for it.